Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In today's lesson, I will teach you on how we install and configure Windows Admin Center. It's talking about Windows Admin Center is a tool of the Microsoft that we can use it to monitor on our domain controller DC, DC1 or DC2. Like as I state here, is a locally deployed browser web management tool set that let you to manage Windows client, server, and cluster. Let's say that if I have DC1 and DC2, I can add DC1 and DC2 to monitor from my client window or my Windows PC, not Windows Server. Okay, now let's go together how we do it. Okay, so this one I have already installed, and to download this tool, because this download is tool from free from Microsoft, you can to Google it, and then you can find your window uh, admin center. Okay, and then it will lead you to Microsoft's website, and you can download from here. Okay, you can download from here. So after you download, okay, let's say after you download, it will be give you this one. You just click install. Okay, and then after you install, here is it will be show this one, window admin center, or window, sorry, this one. You just click on it. Okay, and okay, I will go there again, window admin center. Okay, I click on it after you install, so it will be browse you to web page. This tool installed, but when we access it to web page A1. Okay, so here if it is interface, you can add your Active Directory. You just click on add, and then this one it have a lot, like you can add server, you also can monitor your client PC, you also can add a server cluster, you can also add the Azure VM or Entra ID for this one. Okay, now the purpose of this lesson, I would like to monitor and manage my server, so I just add. In here, you can add server name or IP. I remember my DC1 name, so I just add it. C1. Okay. If you type right, it will show you this one. And this one, you can use administrator password of your DC1. So IT/IT administrator, and here is the password of my DC1, and then I click add with credential. Okay, if it adds success, it will pop up here. Okay, they found, and then it validate whether the username and password we type correct or not, and then click add. Okay, successful. Okay, so now you see this window we can add. So to access it, to monitor, you just click on it, and then it will connect. Okay, and then here is the interface or web page of Windows Admin Center. Okay, I click on overview. In here, you can also view a lot of things like CPU, RAM, what are the file or share drive. So in overview, you can see here is my computer name, and this one is DC1 with the name, with the domain name techit.com, and here is my operating system and the version and my memory, and it also show the my disk space. Okay, it also show the processor or CPU, okay, and type of the my server. Okay, so you can see my detail here, and if you scroll down you can see the process of the CPU and what the it has been used. Okay, so you can see a lot of things here. Okay, so to do this we no need to remote, like for example I want to see the performance of my DC1 or DC2. I no need to remote to my server. I just add here and check with the Windows admin centers. Okay, what is my network, and if you go to setting you can go more on setting. Okay, it will be check your like file share. Okay, you see SMB is an install, it status it's set to us like that. Okay, I click on power configurations. So this one we can make a lot of things, especially when we want to do something with Azure is good for this one, or Microsoft Entra. Okay, remote desktop, for example, it will show us I enable remote desktop or not. Here you see, if let's say if I want to enable remote desktop, I remote to my server and then property on it and allow. But here we can also allow here. It also have Azure architecture for server. Okay, pro access, or we can say all back. This one in Azure. Okay. Now I go on Azure Backup. Here I think I don't consider more. But for this one, if you plan your organization move to Azure or Microsoft Entra or Entra ID, I think this one also important for you. So now I move on to device. Okay, I move on to device. So you can check status of your device, like monitor, like keyboard. Okay, and also the computer. You can see here the computer. Okay, and then when you click one by one, it will be shown below. Okay, it will be shown below here. You can check more on this, so it will be much more detailed. And you especially you can also check the events, the event logs for each one. Okay, you can check log here. So a lot of things. So now I move on faster. File and sharings. It's talking about this interface. It's very similar to Entra ID A1 or Microsoft Entra, because I used to have experience with Azure, so it's very similar with this interface. Okay, so if you go to files and sharing, this PC it will state that I have C drive like data and C and OS. So and it also show me and also tell me what are the spec. Okay, and also edit the name can. Okay, now I go to firewalls, whether I have the firewall to protect or not, and if have what I do. Okay, it will be show here. Incoming rule, you can add rule here, and you also add outcoming rule here as well. Okay, and I will check what are the app that I install on my DC. So this one is very easy to manage, everyone. Very easy. Okay, here are the app that we install. Okay, okay, this one you can go more for detail. Sorry. Like say if I want to add another PC, you just add more, add server, and then I would like add my DC2. Okay, let's say I add my DC2. PC. Let's say if I type wrong, it cannot be searched. For example, I type this wrong. Yeah, cannot be find. I add more because this one is my, okay, when it show like that, it is my server. Let's say if I just add here, okay, I change style, okay. So you see here, never. What if I click here? They will ask me to input my password, okay. Put my password, continue. So if it validates success, it will be pop up like my win DC1. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson, everyone. I hope that you find this video useful. See you in the next video.